This Baby Doppler. This particular fetal heart monitor is by Baby Doppler. It's the Sonoline B, and they were kind enough to send this to me to show y'all how to use it. This is actually my third fetal heart rate monitor to have, and it's actually been my favorite. It's super easy to use. I like the screen. It lights up. I'll kind of show you those features, but it's been one of my favorites. And these Baby Dopplers are really nice to have because, you know, as you're going through your pregnancy, a lot of times you just worry, you want to check on baby. So it's nice having it at home. You know, if you have a day where you're just kind of, you know, want to check on baby, kind of worried about it, you get to do that at home and you don't have to wait on your doctor's appointment. And especially if you're coming off of a pregnancy loss like we are, we had a stillbirth in January. So for me, for my peace of mind, when I start to worry, I can throw the Doppler on and, you know, take a quick listen, make sure baby has a good strong heartbeat. And it's just really good for my peace of mind. So miscarriage mamas, stillbirth mamas, you know, anything like that. Even if you're a first-time mom, you know, it's just really nice to have one. I think, you know, any moms worry throughout their pregnancy. So it's just such a peace of mind to have it. So I'm going to post a link below for where you can get these Dopplers. And I'm going to show you how to use it, give you some tips and tricks. So I'm super excited. So this is the Baby Doppler. I'm going to open it up so you see what it looks like. It comes with this gel, or well, mine did. This is really good to have. It's better than just using like lotion or anything like that you have around the house. I feel like it just picks it up a lot easier. And if yours doesn't come with this, or you don't have it or you run out, aloe is always good, and you can get that at the dollar store or Target, Walmart, anything like that. And then here's the Doppler. Mine actually came with replacement batteries, which is super nice. And this is the monitor itself. I store it without this in it because I just don't want the cords to get messed up. But you plug it in. This is the wand. I call it the microphone. This is what you put on your belly. And then to turn it on, you press the center button and you hold it down for a second, and then it pulls it up. I like this. I like the screen. I like how it lights up. You can turn off the light if you want. I like to have it on. And then this is like a memory thing where you can plug it in and just have all the different ones in there. Now, when you put it on your belly, it's going to be super loud at first. So when you get it out and you're getting ready to, you know, stick it on, turn it down just a little bit, but then turn it right back up so that you can really listen to baby's heartbeat. So I'm going to show y'all now how to place it and how to put it on your belly. So I like to kind of prop my hips up a little bit. I don't really know that helps that much, but I feel like when you're in the early stages, it kind of helps to like bring things down. Like I said, I don't really know if that does much, but I do think kind of tilting your hips works. It usually works for me. It does not matter if you have a full bladder or not. I've done this with or without. So I don't think that really makes a difference. I know that they tell you to try to have a full bladder when you have ultrasounds, but I don't think that does much here. Now, if you, I'm 11 weeks and 3 days right now. I started being able to find baby's heartbeat at 9 weeks and 4 days, but you have to go low. So you're going to feel like you're going super low, but you know, when you do this, you may want to wear like looser pants like what I have, because you're going to have to, you know, press down and go under. It's going to be like right there at your pelvic bone, like way down in here. So, think about that too. And baby is tiny. So if you are kind of earlier on like me, 9 weeks, 10 weeks, 11 weeks, think about how tiny baby is and how tiny that heart is. So when you get this microphone wand thing and you're putting it on your belly, you're going to have to press down. You can't just you know, lay it on there with no pressure. You're going to have to apply a little bit of pressure. Not too much, but you're going to have to, you know, kind of fidget with it a little bit. And you're going to have to slowly move it in like small little circles around in your pelvic area. Because the slightest movement can move right off that heart. So I always put a little bit of the gel just right on the microphone. And like I said, it's going to be really loud when you first start it. So I'm going to show you what it's going to sound like. So if you don't turn it down and you keep it up full speed, it's going to be super loud. See? So usually I turn it down to try to find the heartbeat. And then you're going to hear your own heartbeat. A lot of people think that they find it really fast, baby's heartbeat really fast, but it's actually your own. Mine usually is somewhere around 103 beats per minute, so you'll be able to tell yours because it's slow and steady. So yours is going to be slow and steady, like something like this. And then baby's is going to almost sound more like a galloping horse. I mean, it's going to be so much faster than ours. still mine. And like I said, I think a lot of people immediately go to that and they think that they found baby's heartbeat, and that's not it. You'll also hear a lot of weird noises that your stomach makes. But you'll know when you found babies. I have it, I'm just trying to get it a little bit louder. This baby likes to run from it. Every time I get it right on baby's heartbeat, it runs. And see how I'm just kind of moving the wand just kind of slowly around. I typically know where baby likes to be. So I tend to go straight to that spot. There we go. I tend to go straight to that spot and look around there. But there's baby's heartbeat. I can't get right on it to make it louder. I'm going to keep trying to find a... But you'll notice once you do find it, the heart monitor will start. There we go. So you can clearly tell the difference between mine and the babies. The babies are so much faster. Isn't it the sweetest little sound? Y'all, it's so nice being able to check it at home. And you can't worry, like, if you don't find it immediately, that's okay. Sometimes you'll get a little frustrated. Just kind of stick with it. Take some time trying to find it for the first time, but if you can't find it within, 10, 15 minutes, just give yourself a break. And then try again, in a few days. I know the first 2 or 3 times I looked, I couldn't find it. And it wasn't until 9 weeks and 4 days that I was able to pick it up. I was going to try to find it one more time. That's mine. Just to show you again the difference. And then that's baby's. So much faster. So again, these are just so nice to have, just for peace of mind at home. I love having this one. Hear a loud mouth coming in the back, probably asking for a snack. But I'm going to, again, post a link on where to find these. Also, I really hope that this did help. If you have one and you haven't been able to find your baby's heartbeat, I hope maybe this gave you some tips and tricks that can help you find it. And if you've been on the fence about getting one of these, I hope this helps you make that decision. I promise you, you'll love having one. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like this video and turn on the notifications for more for our pregnancy vlog. Thanks.